teach you a technique to develop more strength and power in your voice that we're going to put into place in about 10 minutes, okay? So we're going to take that same proper diaphragmatic breath. This is called a singer's diaphragmatic breath. And when we breathe air in, we've got this fully loaded up with air. And it's got to be comfortably full as well too, guys. Don't feel like you're about to explode. So feel it's comfortably full down here. What I want you to do is when this is full, I want you just to slightly tighten your stomach muscles. So you're feeling this pressure underneath your vocal cords. You probably felt this if someone's come up and slightly punched you, pretend to punch you in the stomach when you've had a full breath of air. You're going to get a, because this is how we're going to develop strength and power. It's all going to come from here, okay? So we're going to try this breathing technique again, okay? So we're going to breathe all your air out, be skinny. All right. We're going to stick your stomach out, breathe air in. Good, we're going to have one more rotation, breathe it all out. And breathe it air in. Stop, tighten. Excellent, breathe it all out. Okay, fantastic. Guys, did you feel that? Work up on stage. Now, when we're feeling this particular sensation, we want to be using your diaphragm like this when we're going to be singing high notes. It's very important to do this. This is where your power, strength, projection, support, and vibrato come from. Has everyone got that? Does everyone feel that they're developing power from doing that there? Fantastic. No questions regarding breathing? Yes. It's a size 3 basketball, and today I'm sponsored by Nike. It's a size 3 basketball. So everyone here, unless you're like 5 foot, you might want to get a size 2, but a size 3 is perfect. And I always like to try to use a basketball because if I use a soccer ball or a softball, it kind of goes sideways, but this stays right in this area and it gets a really good stretch, and it's an amazing technique. I've taught 6-year-olds to 80-year-olds to breathe like this in 30 seconds and get it happening in songs straight away. So it's a fantastic little technique if you really want to fast track your breathing. Okay, now we're going to have a little bit of a sing. Guys, you can go. Tyler, good work. Alex, fantastic. All right, stay upstanding, guys. Now we're going to start the guys here, okay? So again, we're just going to sing We Will Rock You, okay? Now we're just going to sing it in this key. So sing it after me, guys. Just the guys. We will rock you, guys.
We will rock you.
Excellent, we'll do a little experiment. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a proper breath, okay? We're going to sing it a little bit higher. We're going to sing it a little bit louder. And when we hit the first I want you just to tighten your stomach muscles a little bit, okay? So we're going to sing it in this key now, guys. We will rock you. Proper breath, let's go.
We will rock you.
One more time, tighten a bit more, go.
We will rock you.
Fantastic, guys. Did you feel that you were singing with a little bit more power? It said it was louder anyway, so I heard that. Did you feel that you had a bit more power doing that?
Yes.
Yes? Fantastic. Girls, I know you're going to slay the guys here. Okay, girls. We will rock you. Go, girls.
We will rock you.
Ah, fantastic. We're going to sing it a little higher. We're going to do the same technique. I want you to breathe in through your stomach. When you hit that first note, I want you to just let it out. Use your mouth. Sing it a little bit louder. So we're going to sing it. We will rock you. Go for it, girls. Use your mouth.
We will rock you.
Whoa, fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause. Okay.